Yes, well, hello friends, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Luca, and this channel we discuss about how to start and make small businesses. But here, this is our project for kitchen gardening, and of course, our aim and goal is to see 500 recycled cement bags with 500 green vegetables. Our main aim here is to ensure that each and every home actually gets nutritious vegetables by using recycled materials and also acquiring the normally available tools. By using these vegetables that you can see, of course, very many people can be able to actually live a healthy life. Here it is. So we have growing beans. This is called omugobe. For those people who are not familiar with these types of beans, this is our cornflower, and maybe if we can have a look at some of them, you can see here, this has started bringing out. So you can see it's already here. So you can see on this small piece of land, we have actually managed to raise more than 50 cabbages. So each one can have this small piece of land, and you can grow cabbages for home consumption. So you can have a simple garden like this, small plot land or soils that you can use to grow cabbages. We have a variety of vegetables here, and you can get this idea from here and actually grow your own. So all of these are actually nursery beds that we are coming up with, and we have fruits also available. We have onions, we have nakati, we have stomach, we have everything here. So this is simply a demo garden, and we assure you each home can actually fight malnutrition by using your veranda maybe to grow these different vegetables and fruits at the comfort of your home. These can be available all year round because we use our own irrigation to make sure they get enough water during the sunny season. So this is very affordable for each and every individual, and we implore that each and every home is supposed to have a garden of this type. Thank you so much for following, and I will keep you updated about the progress of this project. And if you'd like to actually reach out to us, you can WhatsApp me on +256 742 8570 33. Thank you so much, and have a nice time. Bye bye.